The cost of Moonriver probably won't have made a buzz in the digital currency market, yet it surely has procured its situation as the top number 194 positioning crypto resource by market cap. The Moonriver for the most part was made by the Moonbeam establishment to finance the development, improvement, and reception of the Moonbeam and Moonriver organization and its biological system incredibly. Yet, what else in a real sense is in the Moonriver organization? Is it helpful to put resources into it, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking fundamentally? Is there a future? And is the innovation strong and feasible? We should find out as we investigate the future value examination of the Moonriver. It's for the most part local utility token Moonriver MOVR estimate. Outline of Moonriver. We should begin by getting to know a piece about Moonriver in a real sense. The Moonriver especially is an Ethereum viable shrewd agreement parachain that works on the Kusama mainnet amazingly. The very fundamental thought for the Moonriver network is to work as a very brilliant agreement stage equipped for giving a one-stop center point to clients to redeploy Ethereum dApps without the requirement for setup into the Kusama organization. How can it function? Moonriver fundamentally is planned to fill in as a brilliant agreement stage equipped for redeploying the Ethereum dApps with negligible grading. To put it plainly, the Ethereum dApps need not sort of be reconfigured or revised to work on the Kusama organization. On the off chance that you really don't know, Substrate sort of is a structure for making a novel blockchain and applications that can run on the Kusama and Polkadot networks incredibly. To do this, Moonriver offers the accompanying administrations to engineers. EVM execution. This considers Ethereum-based savvy agreements to relocate to Kusama with negligible exertion in an unpretentious manner. Web3 viable APIs. This permits Ethereum-based apparatuses for the most part, for example, MetaMask wallet to work with the Moonriver organization. Spans. This takes into consideration token exchanges, state perceivability, and message passing with Ethereum and genuinely different chains in every way that really matters, like Solana or Bitcoin. It likewise explicitly has many underlying combinations for resources genuinely. For example, SPEC and ERC20 and Foundation administrations like Chainlink incredibly. The sort of local money of Moonriver sort of is MOVR, and it is critical to keeping up with and working the stage in a truly significant manner. It tends to be utilized to explicitly pay exchange charges, support brilliant agreement execution, boost collators for creating blocks to help the organization, and especially work with the on-chain administration instrument. For this Moonriver specialized investigation, we will utilize RSI, Bollinger Groups, and moving midpoints, the absolute most famous specialized pointers. It hasn't been most certainly since a long time ago the Moonriver was recorded on the trades. The graph beneath sort of shows that the Moonriver cost increment took off on high expectation of the MOVR Truly token being an appealing resource. This made the Moonriver MOVR cost rise quickly, making a kind of high in September 2021 in an unpretentious way. As of now, there is a declining phase of the Moonriver coin. However, in the event that recuperation truly is noticed, it could increment further for the time being, which is very critical. Subsequent to framing the high in September 2021, the Moonriver just a tad, laying out a help level close to $240 cost level. From here, the Moonriver MOVR cost again takes off, attempting to frame another high, making the greatest cost at $495.71, making it the unequaled high, which is very huge. It seems to be the MOVR cost is attempting to shape a decent base prior to breaking out, which is very huge. The aggregation circulation pointer shows that there is an interest in the resource since the up-moving collection line addresses the posting. The Moonriver cost today for the most part is somewhat over the 50-day moving kind of normal. The above diagram essentially shows that the unpredictability was high in September 2021. On October 11, 2021, the unpredictability generally was the most minimal since the posting of Moonriver, and the exchanging volume truly began to fall underneath the normal exchanging volume in an inconspicuous way. In the last part of October 2021, the Moonriver MOVR cost started to flood again on high volume, expanding the unpredictability once more and making an overbought condition on the RSI pointer amazingly. The RSI truly is put at 49.31 in an unpretentious manner. The fundamentally current cost levels are genuinely steady with low unpredictability, or so they by and large thought. It seems to be the Moonriver token is attempting to frame a strong combination base prior to breaking out according to the Moonriver MOVR cost forecast. It basically is probably going to occur on especially high volume, sending the MOVR cost up in a solitary day for colossal benefit on the off chance that this occurs. Moonriver Value Expectation 2023, which is genuinely critical. The information expectations models, in view of the verifiable information, show that the cost of Moonriver MOVR in every practical sense is conjectured to arrive at the very least expected cost of $89.84, with an especially greatest cost of $108.66 in the year 2023, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The by and large normal exchanging cost all through the year basically is supposed to generally be close to the $99 cost level according to our MOVR cost expectation amazingly. Moonriver Value Forecast 2024. According to the information and Moonriver cost estimate models, the base level of the Moonriver coin expectation will be $82.71. In every way that really matters, greatest cost will fundamentally be $126.42, with a typical exchanging cost of around $106.57 all through 2024. Moonriver Value Expectation 2025. As per the specialized investigation for the year 2025, the especially least MOVR coin value expectation will basically be $117.27, and the most extreme value level will be $150.03. The anticipated MOVR recommends that the typical cost will be $127.19 in 2025 according to our Moonriver crypto expectation. Moonriver Value Expectation 2026, or so they thought. And in every practical sense, slight remedy could be found in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The cost expectations models show that the extremely least cost of Moonriver conjecture really is supposed to be $109.75. The genuinely most extreme cost will be $134.13, keeping a very normal cost of $122.48 in the year 2026 in view of the Moonriver MOVR cost forecast, as opposed to prevalent thinking. How pretty numerous MOVR tokens truly are available for use in a huge manner. Moonriver value equivalent to $67.61 starting today. The market cap of Moonriver remains at $252,519,458.42, with a completely weakened and tremendous market cap of more than $676,978,987.99, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The maximum stock is basically covered at 10 million MOVR tokens, and the flowing inventory is 3,730,093 MOVR tokens. Is Moonriver a truly wise speculation? The crypto expectations of MOVR sort of propose that it very well may be a significant resource that can fundamentally produce really extraordinary returns. So generally hang on and don't truly sell Moonriver in an unpretentious manner. All things considered, it basically is great to by and large have a crucial comprehension of the organization and the worth it can give to all expectations and inspirations make a determined bet, which is very critical. Since the crypto space explicitly is packed, it sort of is as yet hazy whether it can really be a significant individual from the environment that could give kind of good to it. All things considered, it's anything but a terrible venture either, which is very critical. With simply specialized examination, it seems as though MOVR has a decent, especially long-haul procuring sort of expected in a significant manner. Indeed, even temporarily, the portfolio can profit from a sort of good profit from Moonriver, which essentially is very critical. Is Moonriver safe? The innovation of digital currencies is normally all right for speculations as a result of the blockchain